There are two common issues that can generally be corrected by adjusting the clutch cable at the bracket located on the left handlebar. The more common one is that the tractor wheels do not come to a complete stop when the clutch lever is squeezed. This creeping of the wheels generally signals that the clutch cable has stretched, something that often occurs shortly after a new cable has been installed, and always occurs as an older cable wears with use. This lengthening of the cable means that squeezing the lever is not separating the two cones within the clutch. Because there continues to be some contact between the cones, there is still sufficient power transfer to rotate the wheels, albeit slowly. To achieve full separation, we need to shorten the cable. To do so, you will need an 11mm wrench, a 13mm wrench, and a tape measure. Start by loosening the jam nut with a 13mm wrench at the point where the threaded tube enters the front of the clutch bracket. Then, using an 11mm wrench if necessary, turn the tube counterclockwise so that there are approximately 4 more wraps of thread extending out beyond the bracket. Raise the clutch lever until you feel resistance, and measure the vertical distance from the back of the lever to the top of the black handlebar grip. This measurement needs to be about 5 inches. If the distance is less than 5 inches, continue to turn the tube outward until you achieve the desired measurement. Start your engine, shift into first gear, and test to see if squeezing the clutch completely brings the tractor to a stop. If so, tighten the jam nut against the bracket and you're finished. If not, repeat the process by turning the tube counterclockwise till 3 more thread wraps are visible, and test again. Once properly adjusted, as verified by the wheels coming to a full stop, check to confirm that there remains a significant amount of free motion at the bottom of the clutch lever's arc. Free play at the bottom of the arc indicates that the clutch's 2 cones are firmly in contact with each other when the clutch lever is released. And this is the other circumstance where the clutch cable may need adjustment. If the cable has been over-tightened, there is a lack of power transfer, and the result is slippage of the wheels and attachment when the tractor is under load. In this case, loosen the jam nut and turn the tube clockwise, reducing the number of thread wraps extending beyond the bracket. If you are unable to adjust your cable so that the wheels stop when the clutch lever is squeezed, and full power is achieved when the lever is released, the next step is to contact your servicing BCS dealer for further assistance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel for more. Also, please know that we welcome your feedback and questions. To contact us about the content of this video, please call 855-832-4505 or email info@bcsamerica.com. Thank you.